Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video because I'm sure that many of you, just like us, need to do laundry while you're on vacation. And I know to some people it might sound like, oh my gosh, the last thing I want to do is do laundry. But when you have 2 young kids, you go through 2-3 pairs of clothes a day. And when you're here for a full week, that adds up really, really quick. So it's really early in the morning, and while I'm doing laundry and getting breakfast and coffee and tea, I'm just back and forth getting it done on our off day. And it's not bad. It's empty. There's like nobody here. So let me show you how it's done. So the laundry facility over here at Jumbo House in Animal Kingdom Lodge is really big. As you could see, there's lots of machines, and there's a really big waiting area that has the vending machine with all the soaps, detergents, TV, and then you use this machine to pay for your washer or dryer using your credit card. So let me show you how we do it. So I'm going to pick, I guess, machine 1 and 2. So I just separate my whites and color, and let me put it in, and I'll show you how to start the machines. Okay, so I loaded up the laundry, so I have to remember that my number is 1 and number 2. So I'll go over here and I'll pick up my detergent. You can most certainly bring your own, but I just didn't want to travel with one and risk of it, like, I don't know, spilling. So this is really convenient. So I just swipe my card. It takes a little while for it to authorize right here. Okay, so now it says select product. Okay, I guess I'll just pick number 23. So it's $1, and it gets almost stuck. Okay, so the annoying part is that you have to swipe your card for each and every thing. Like, it won't allow you to make multiple purchases. And now it's telling me I can't read my card. Okay, here we go, it's authorizing. Okay, so this is the machine. So I'm going to insert my card, and it prompts me to start my machine. So I'm gonna select the washer, and so I'm gonna do number 1 and number 2. I'm gonna click OK. So they're $3 each. I'm gonna do OK. So now it's processing. Washers 1 and 2 are ready. So I'm gonna click finish and walk over this way. Pull this out. Let me see if I can do it. So I pull this out, and I'm gonna add this detergent into here. It says liquid bleach. I can put some there too, so I don't know. Okay, here we go. So I used 1. I'll close it, and then I am selecting whites and brights. So there you go. The machine started on its own. And now I'm going to do the same for number 2. I'm going to add the detergent here. Just a tiny bit into the bag. Close it. And I'm going to select color. And 34 minutes. So there you go. Now I'll be back in, I guess, 34 minutes, and we'll do the washer. Okay, so now my machines are done, and I'm gonna use probably number 19 and probably number 17. So I'm gonna load it up and I'll go back to that little machine, pay, get them started, and I'll show you guys how it's all. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna put my card in, start machine, dryer, and so I picked number 17 and 19. I'll click OK and OK, and it's processing, and finish, and we should be good to go. I already loaded up my laundry, but I just wanted to show you. So this, the softener, it's like a huge sheet, and I think it's 2 of them. See how big it is? It has like a light fresh smell to it, so I'm gonna put that in. I forgot which one I already put it in, so let me figure it out. Alright guys, this is gonna be the end of my video. I hope it was helpful. It is possible to do laundry quick and easy in Disney, and it's not very expensive, and of course you could make it even less expensive if you bring your own detergent, softener, and drying sheets if you like. But like I said, I didn't want to do that in case it spilled, and then it would be just a big mess. Anyways, if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Do you have any tips and tricks on how you do laundry in Disney on vacation? I would love to hear all about it. Bye guys.